Hey guys, so I am back and I am going to be recording a video showing you how I am building a new website on Shopify today. So I will be launching the Boutique Academy very soon and I've decided to build that website on Shopify. So Shopify is primarily known as a e-commerce platform. However, there are lots of like blogging websites that are built on Shopify and they have like a shop page or whatever, which is what I intend for the Boutique Academy to be. So I have already integrated my domain name into Shopify. If you've already purchased your domain name, when you sign up for your account, once you get to the home page, I believe it is. Let me go. Yes. Okay. So once you log in for the first time, you're going to be on this page, and then there's going to be this button down here that says Add Domain. You click that. Mine's already added to Shopify, but once you get to this page, you will either connect an existing domain. You can transfer your domain to Shopify, meaning that it will no longer be you won't have to like mess with it on the platform that you bought it from. So like my domain name is purchased through GoDaddy. If I transferred it over to Shopify, then it would now live on Shopify. And like when I have to renew my domain name at the end of the year, I would renew it through Shopify instead of GoDaddy. So I did not transfer because that's a little bit more of a difficult process. I just connected my domain name to Shopify and I just Googled the directions to how to do that. And if you don't already have a domain name, you can buy a new domain name through Shopify. So as you can see, I have connected the boutiqueacademy.com to Shopify, and it says here that the provider is GoDaddy. So that's going to be your first step, in my opinion. So my next step was choosing a theme for my website. So Shopify has a few free themes that you can choose from, which are down here, or you can visit the theme store, which shows you different themes that are on sale as well as the free themes. You can even search by collection, so like the trending ones for the week, minimalist, big and beautiful imagery. You can choose by industry, so most of you guys would be choosing clothing and fashion. So my chosen theme for the time being is the Brooklyn theme, which is a free theme. So I have just began customizing my theme. It loads here. So this is my home page for now. I may change it, who knows. But the biggest thing that I've run into when designing Shopify pages is making sure that the photo sizes are the right size. So in essence, it's a pretty easy thing to figure out. I just Googled it. So I Googled what size header image for Shopify's Brooklyn theme or something along those lines. And I found out that I have it written down here, my header for this theme needed to be about 1200 by 800 pixels. And then my logo, which was also, so when I originally uploaded my logo, which is the Boutique Academy here, it was tiny. So I Googled that as well. What size logo for the Brooklyn Shopify theme, and that one came up as needing to be about 450 by 200, but it doesn't have to be that exact number. It just needs to be kind of around that number. So I've already uploaded my header and logo. So you would click header up here and you can insert your logo. You would just hit change, upload your logo. And then you want to make sure you hit save. So there will be a save or a select button down there, but I already have mine selected, so I'm not going to do that again. And then you scroll down, and in this box you can change the pixels for your logo. So as you can see, I currently have mine set to 400. If I did something smaller, like 250, as you can see, it made it a little bit smaller. If I do bigger, 450, as you can see, it makes it bigger. So I'm going to leave mine at 400 for now. And then scroll down a bit. I haven't messed with the main menu yet. Show you what that looks like. Oh, never mind. I have not created the menu yet, so we'll get there. So we're going to continue to scroll down on this header option. So as you can see, you can set an announcement bar, which is what this tan bar is at the top. So I just have launching soon currently, but I'll probably put something along the lines of sign up for our email list, because nobody can currently see this page. But when I do finally launch, I want that announcement bar to say something that is a call to action for my customers or my viewers here. And as you can see, you can change the color of your bar. So I'll get into that in a second, where I'm keeping my color schemes and stuff like that. But I just typed in the color code for what color I wanted that bar to be so that it would match the rest of my website. And then we're going to go to the slideshow. So this box where the picture is, you can make it a slideshow, meaning you can have multiple photos and it's going to slide, or you can just leave it as one. I currently just have one, but as I add more content, I will add additional slides, obviously. And then here you can adjust the amount of time before each slideshow or each slide changes. So right now it's set to 5 seconds, but like I said, I only have one, so that doesn't really matter currently. Okay, so these here, so let me think of how I can best explain this. Let's see. Okay, so let's make sure I'm on my home page. Yes. Okay, so up here is where you can see what pages you're currently looking at. So right now I'm looking at my home page. You can navigate over to your collections page, and obviously I don't have anything on my collections page currently. So right now we're working on the home page. And then these boxes down here are telling you what types of content are currently on your website. So new content, that's a heading. That's that right there. There is a newsletter, which is the subscribe to our newsletter here. Next is an image with text, and then there's another image with text, and you can add a section, and then there's your footer. So I took it upon myself to write down what I wanted my homepage sections to look like, and I recommend that you do the same. Even with your e-commerce websites, you want to write down, like for instance on my boutique's website, the top section is, I believe, new arrivals. Or no, the top section is 3 of my primary categories. So like tops, dresses, I don't know, bottoms. And then below that is like 5 new arrivals. And then below that is a section for clearance items. So decide what you want your homepage to look like and what sections you want to be on your homepage. So for my homepage, I would like there to be a section right underneath my header being an image with text, and I am going to click on that, and this section is going to be called what is the Boutique Academy, and I'll show you how to change the colors and all of that later in the video. So I will focus on what this actual text says a little bit later. I'm just going to focus on the overall layout. So underneath that section, I think I want to do some testimonials of some sort. So I have tons of testimonials that I've collected from people working with me and things like that. So I want to do some testimonials. I'm debating collecting some video testimonials, but I don't currently have any. So I think I'm going to, let's try text and see what that comes up as. So we're going to hit add, and let's see where that, so is this here? Okay, so that's what this pops up as down here. You can change the size of it, so small, large. You can make it a wide display, not wide display. And I actually think I want this to look different. I don't know if I can make it look different. Let's see. Let's try something else. Add section. I might have to play around with that a little bit more. Image with text. Yeah. I'll have to play with that a little bit more. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna take the text section out. So my next section after testimonials, I'll play around with that a little bit later. Is going to be a product section, and I don't have any products added just yet. We will get to that. So I will probably do a featured collection, which was already there, I'm pretty sure. Where'd it go? Nope, featured product. Featured collection list. Ooh, no, I want to do a collection list, so we're gonna do add, and that's what I want my testimonials to look like actually, so I'm gonna work on that. And as you can see, you can add another collection, so make it 4, make it 5. Oh yeah, I like this. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like that for now. That's going to be my collections, and I'm going to move this up. So as you can see, there's already a product section. I'm going to remove that. Oh, snap. I should have kept that. Wonder if I can go back. I wonder what kind of, if that was a featured collection. I think that was what that was. Yes. Okay, so this is a feature collection. As you can see, you can do a grid or you can do a collage, but that's not what I wanted. So we're going to remove it again. Okay. So as you can see, I have my header. My next section is going to be what is the Boutique Academy. As I said, I'm going to put a testimonial section in the middle of here, but I need to figure out if I'm capable of making it look like what I want it to look like. And then I'm going to do a featured collection list. And then after that, I want to do a, what do I want to do? I want to do a blog section. So we're going to do blog posts, add. Ooh, I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to make my testimonials look like blogs, possibly. We're going to figure it out. Anywho, so as you can see, you can do show date, show author, show cover image. I want to show my cover image along with some of the excerpt. Okay, so the blog is underneath my product section. Whoop. Let's go up one more. All right, so we got collection, we got our blog. And I actually want to change the title of this. So we're going to do latest from the Boutique Academy. Okay. I might change that later to latest from the blog, but we'll leave it as that for now. And then, I wrote down product collage. So maybe when I meant product earlier, I meant one product and then a product collage. So we're going to remove this section, add a section, featured product, add. As you know, I don't have any products yet, so we're going to move the product there and the collection list there. And we're going to leave my newsletter sign up at the bottom. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Whoop-de-doo. So I want to add a button here. After what is the Boutique Academy, I'm going to put a I don't know where this is going to pop up or not. Sign up for our email list. And I wonder, okay, no, I don't see where that pops up at. I don't know. Interesting. Okay. Figure that out later too. If you guys did not know, Shopify has not been my chosen platform until now. all of my websites are currently built through WordPress, and I decided that I wanted to switch because Shopify, once you get past the design part of it, it is the most helpful, I believe, when it comes to e-commerce and things of that nature. So I decided to make the switch. Okay, so I have changed my what I want my homepage to look like, and again, I'll do my collections page and all that later once I actually have products. So now I'm going to show you how to change your color schemes and stuff like that. So I have my brand colors chosen currently, and as you can see, these tell you what colors each thing is for. So I actually have a brand kit on my Canva account. So these are my colors for the Boutique Retreat website and my Jan Charté website, which I will be changing as well. And then these are the colors that I am using for the Boutique Academy. And then these are my colors for Brazen Boutique. So if you click on the color, it tells me what my color code is. So I have them written down so I don't have to keep going back and forth and copying and pasting. But yeah, I have my color codes for each one. So I'm just going to go back to this page, and I'm going to change whatever it is that I want to change. So I don't want my headings to be dark purple. I would like my headings to be dark tan, I believe. So we're going to go BAA 896. And as you can see, it changes it to my tan color. I'll leave my body text as this grayish color. Actually, I think I want it to be black. I like black. My line color, I'm going to make that this pinkish color. Oops. So that's E38B75. And I highly recommend that you guys decide what colors your your brand colors are going to be. You want to give your brand an identity and not just be so random. So I would highly recommend doing that. Let's see, links and accent. So these are like the underlined things, like you know how when something's linked it's going to be underlined. So I would recommend that being a color that's easily visible. So I'm gonna go with my pink color again. Oh, and I don't have to keep typing this in because it's right here on the screen, Jans. Jesus Christ. Okay, so sale tags. Form fields. Form fields, we're going to make that my lighter tan. E6CC B5. Product background. I wish I knew what that looked like. Oh, so look, as you can see, the colors are changing. So these are what my colors look like currently. I'm pretty happy with it. So let's do this newsletter. I think I want this newsletter area to be... Nope, because Yep. What is this? Oh, that's a heading. So we're going to make this, I don't know. FCC 875. So we might do my headings in a different color. Let's see. I'm gonna have to come back and play with that one because I'm not sure. We're gonna do sale tag, so that's a sale tag there. We're gonna do, it's pink, yellow. I think I want to do those in black actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do those in black. And drawers. I don't know what drawers are. I have no idea what drawers are, but we're just gonna change those colors right now, and we'll figure all that out later. Text, we'll leave as white. Lines and borders, definitely not going to stay that color. I'll make it pink. Button, I'll make this one. Okay, so I'll leave these as is for now. Yeah, so back to the theme settings, you can change your typography, so you can choose a font. I don't know if my chosen fonts are in here, so that's another thing that I have saved in my brand kit on Canva. This is my logo font down here, and then these are the fonts that I like to use for just general text. So let's see if Oswald is in there. Love my Oswald. Oh, it is. Yay! So Oswald, we're going to change that. So as you can see, it changed my font, and I want those capitalized. I don't know if it'll let me do them capitalized. Maybe we'll do semi-bold instead. I like semi-bold. We'll do semi-bold. Select, and then, what was my, sorry, do Montserrat? I don't know how to pronounce these. Don't make fun of me, everybody. So that will be like my body text. So I'm going to type that one in. Yes, got that one. So we got that changed. Regular. Let's see what light looks like. No, I think I like the regular better. Select. And as you can see, you can change the sizes. You can space the letters. Capitalize your text. Huh, why didn't capitalize? Oh. And this is accent text. Where's accent text? Oh, menus, buttons, and slideshow. Subheadings. Menu, buttons, and slide. I'll leave that as is for now. Won't get too crazy. So then you can look at your cart page. You can change what that icon looks like. So you can do a drawer. Oh wait, no, is that not that? We're gonna find out. So let's go to the cart page. Cart page. Drawer. Let's see if it changes anything. No. Okay, so moving on. Social media. So as you can see, you can do social sharing, a social sharing image, and you can link your accounts. So let's see. Whoops. Instagram.com/the Boutique Academy. And that's that down there. I think I have a Facebook page. Oops. Oh, as you guys can see, I can't type. I have to double check to make sure that that's my actual URL for that, but we'll leave it there for now. You see, you can add YouTube and all that, which is really cool. And then you can do your sharing options down there. I don't know what they mean by social sharing image, so I'm just gonna click one and see if something pops up somewhere. No. Okay, so we're gonna disregard that for now. Let's see what else we got. Favecon. So this is the little icon that will pop up here. So as you can see, like this one has a favecon, the Canva one, Shopify has one, Loom has one. So I don't have one currently, so I need to create one. I'll do that later on Canva. But as you can see, it tells you it'll be scaled down to 32 by 32 pixels. So keep that in mind. And then checkout. So you can do a background image for your checkout page. I don't think it shows me checkout page. No. So I don't know if I want a image for my checkout page, honestly. So I'm just gonna leave that be. Order summary, background color. I want that to be my light tan color, I think. No, I think I just rather it be white, honestly. And then here's some more colors to change again. So we're gonna make our links that color. Buttons, we're gonna make that pink color. Errors, we'll leave those as red because red signifies a mistake in my head. And as you can see, to customize more checkout settings, visit the admin. So we're gonna leave this all as is. And you want to make sure that you hit save after you do all of this. If you do not, and you just hit this Shopify button to take you back to the home screen, you have completely lost everything that you've done. So make sure you hit save. And then up here, you can toggle through to see what your website looks like on mobile versus on a desktop. So let's see what my home page. So this is my home page on a mobile device. I think I'm feeling it so far with its nothingness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I got to figure out what color I want this to be down here because I'm just not feeling it. But yeah. Okay. So now we're going to go back to our Shopify page or dashboard. And we are going to, so up here, this is where you would add your blog posts if you're doing blogging. Pages, so add pages to your online store, write clear page titles and descriptions to improve your search engine optimization, your navigation. So these are your menu, the domains, and preferences. So we're going to go to navigation, and we're going to go to main menu. And I would like to add a menu option. So I already have home, I have a catalog. We're going to add a menu option, and it's going to be blog, and we're going to do blog. So you need to make sure that you're linking it to a page, and I don't know why it says news, but what if I do blog post, blogs, news? We'll figure that out in a second. What other pages did I have? So I wrote down I wanted a home page, blog page, events page, courses, shop, and a contact page. So we're going to do contact. And we're probably going to have to make that a page. So let's go back and do this. So we're going to do pages, add a page. We're going to name this page blog. And I'll work on my search engine optimization later. So we have a blog page. Go back to pages. We're going to add another page. I'm going to add a contact page. Select the template for this page. I'm looking to that later too. Contact. Back to pages. Events. Save. And what else did I say? Courses. So add page. Courses. All right. And actually, no, I'm not. Yes. I'm debating if courses needs to be a product page. Probably. We'll just leave it as is for now. Okay. So now we're gonna go back to navigation, main menu. I'm gonna change the name of catalog to shop, and that's where all products will lie. I'll probably change that later. So next we're gonna do blog and pages, and as you can see now it shows me the pages that I created. So blog, we're going to add contact, pages, contact, add events, pages, events, add Am I forgetting something? I don't know. And you can obviously move them around if you want. That line will indicate, and so you can even move something underneath something. So I can move blogs under events or blog under shop. Obviously that doesn't make sense, but just showing you. And then you want to save your menu. So now if I were to go back to my online store, all of these things will pop up in my menu. So let me show you. Lord have mercy. That's because I didn't publish the darn thing. Oh, I think I need to add let's see. Let's go back to themes. Oh, that's why. So I don't currently have Brooklyn set as my theme. That's the one that I was. So debut is currently set as my theme. So you need to make sure that you set whatever theme you would like to be the theme that you're using. So you can save multiple themes, but you need to make sure that you have whichever theme you are wanting to use set as your theme. So let's do customize. And I think I need to do publish. Yes, so it'll replace your current theme, debut. Ooh, child. I really do feel like Shopify is one of those websites that is so simple that it's complex. If that makes any sense. Okay, so this is what my homepage looks like. And as you can see, my menu options are up here. So I have a shop page now, which has nothing on it. I have a blog page. I have an events page. And I have a contact page. Let's see if it takes you to my Instagram. Let's see if that link works. I have to figure that out. Ooh, chow. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard here. And let's go to products. So let's put a product in here. So obviously, actually, my the Boutique Academy will have products that are made through Printful. So I need to download the Printful app and integrate it into my store. So let's see. I don't know why that. Oh, it's right here. So we're gonna do Printful, and I won't get into all the apps and things that you can add to your store. That would have to be a totally different video because there's so many to choose from. So I'm going to install the Printful app. Only God knows if I know. I have an existing account, and only God knows what that password is. So we're going to leave that there for now. Okay, so we're going to go to products, and we're going to add a product. So let's say that I am adding, I don't know, one of my vendors lists, 300 vendor lists, which probably will not be getting added onto there. But you can put your product description. You can upload an image, so that would be the image that pops up. We're just going to choose a random image for now. Let's go to this. We'll just choose this. Okay, let's say I'm adding neon short set. That's going to be my description for now. That's my image. The price of this is $57.50. You can add your cost per item, so that's how much you paid for it. I don't remember how much I paid for it, so we're going to just put $21 in there. You can add a SKU, so I'm going to say my SKU is, I don't know, neon set 1. This is a physical product, yes. You can add a barcode if you're using barcodes. I'm not using barcodes. I do want to track my inventory, so if you don't want to track your inventory, you can turn it off, but I don't recommend that. And then you can put how many of it you have. So I have 2, but these need to have variance, and that's what I need to figure out how to change. So let's see. Here we go. Add variance. So we're going to do variance of size. You can do variance of color. So we're going to do small, medium, large, and we're going to do neon and navy because I have it in 2 colors, and we're going to do navy and pink. And so now you see that I have all of my variants down here, and you would need to add, oh, it made SKUs for me. That's nice. WordPress does not do that for me. So then you can add how many of each you have. So typically you would have 2 of each. And then as you can see, you can edit your search engine optimization. So I would say neon, short set. I mean, you could just leave it as that. Or you could do neon and navy, short set. And then the meta description is the description that people would see if, so say someone went to go search for on Google for a neon and navy short set, and hopefully yours popped up, but you can put a general description of what this is. So short set with matching jacket or matching hooded jacket, I don't know. So you definitely want to fill these out as often as possible and be as specific as possible as well. And then this is the URL that will pop up for that. So, you know, say someone contacted you and said, Jans, do you have more of that neon and navy short set? Instead of sending them directly to your website, you could just send them this URL. So that's what the URL for this product would be. And you can add weights for that item if you would like. I don't know, we're going to say this is 1 pound. Let's see, used by border officers to calculate duties when shipping internationally, shown on customs forms you print during fulfillment. I don't know anything about that. You can choose your fulfillment service. So somewhere in here you can choose your fulfillment service. I don't know where that is. I won't lie to you. But yeah, so this is how you add a product. You can add tags, so you could do like shorts, sets, something basic. And then you can add this product to a collection. So a collection would be like your tops, your bottoms, your dresses. So we're going to add this to sets. And I have not even made that collection yet. So I probably need to do that first. And you can even add what vendor this is from. So I'll tell you what vendor this is from, guys. It's from Capsule. So add Capsule. Product type. I don't know what they mean by product type. So I'm just going to leave that empty. And then you can set when you would like it to be published. So I have seen so many sites, I won't say any names, that literally will take their site offline because they feel like they need time to upload their new items because they're scared they're going to sell out, you know, sell out of one before they get to upload all the rest. You can schedule your products to post on a particular day. So say I want this product to post tomorrow, June 2nd at 12 p.m. And it tells me this product will be published on June 2nd, 2019, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Isn't that great? So we're going to save this item. I hope this is semi-easy for you guys, or coming off is kind of easy for you guys. So as I said, I don't have any collection, so I want to start a collection. So like I said, that particular item would go into sets, and you can give your collection an image. So like for instance, let me go to my current website. Ooh, child, I could not type, y'all. Excuse me. So a what is it? What did it call it? What did it call it? A collection image. So a collection image would be like this. So I have an image that is for the entire collection. So that's what I have on my current website. Not going to add one of those currently. But yeah, so sets, you can add a description. As you can see, it says it's optional. And then collection type. So manually add products to this collection one by one, or you can automate it. So existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So you can set conditions underneath it. So say you want to do product tag is equal to sets. So that means anytime you use a product tag that says sets, it's going to automatically know to add that to the collection sets. You can add another condition. So I don't know. I don't think you would do any other one, honestly. Product tag would be the best option here. And then again, you can edit your website's search engine optimization. So that would be what shows up. You could do sets and then the name of your website, so the Boutique Academy, and then a description. The best matching sets for summer, I don't know, whatever, and hit save. So as you can see, that's what's going to pop up like on Google. Let me show you that again. So that's what it will pop up like in a search engine. Sets from the Boutique Academy. That's not going to stay there, obviously. But yeah, okay, so we're going to go back to products, and we're going to click this again, and we're going to add that to the collection. Oh, look at that. So it auto did it. Look, that's what I was just talking about. So because I use the tag sets, it knew to add it to sets. That is amazing. Oh, child, this is already easier. This is insane. Okay, so let's go to inventory. So this is where you can keep track of your inventory. So as you can see, I have small, medium, and it's telling me which colors it is. So small neon navy, small navy pink, medium neon navy, medium navy pink. And my SKUs, you can do incoming ones. So I don't know where that is, but apparently you can put in incoming numbers. But it tells you your quantity, and then you can update your quantity. So say you got one more small in stock, hit save. Now your new number is 3, obviously. But yeah, so view products, that takes you back to your products, tells me how many I have in stock and 6 variants. You can add gift cards, sell gift cards to your customers, which is pretty cool. You give them unique codes. It's awesome. So say you want to do discount, you can create discount codes. So let's say my discount code is summer 15, and I want to do you can do a percentage discount, so I'm going to do like 15% off. You could do a fixed amount, so that means it would be like $5, $10, however much you would like to give off. You can do a free shipping or buy X get Y. Let's do a buy X get Y. That's another function I don't have. So say a customer buys one of a specific product, and obviously I only have that one product, so we're gonna do the neon set ad. Only have the one. So then you can do that the customer gets one something and then a percent or free. That's amazing. I am so excited already, because that's another function that WordPress WooCommerce does not give me unless I pay for that functionality. So that's amazing. And then obviously you need to save it. And there should be somewhere where you, okay, yeah. So you can limit the number of times the discount can be used. You can limit it to 1 use per customer. And then you can say when this coupon starts and when this coupon ends. So I'm not going to save that. We're going to discard that. What else can I show you guys? Analytics. So this is your analytics page. It will tell you your total sales, your online store sessions. So how many visitors you've had. It says I've had 2 visitors. Your online store conversion rate. So added to cart. Reach checkout. Reach sessions converted. Converted means that they made a purchase. Total orders over time. You can even view it as a report. So let's see what that looks like. I mean, I don't have anything to report, but you know what I'm saying? So obviously it tells you your visitors and on what date and how many sessions they had. You can even view live view. So how many people are currently looking at your site and things of that nature. Awesome. And then this is your customer tab. So right now, if you went to my site, it's going to be a plain screen where you enter your email addresses. Those people will pop up here as customers. So let's go back to the online store and see if that product is showing. Want to make sure we did that right. Another thing to keep in mind too, with your product images, you want to make sure that that you use the right size images. So they need to be square most of the time. I need to, obviously, as you can see, that's not showing up. So I need to go to my navigation, my main menu. Currently, when they go to shop, it takes them to all products. Maybe we want it to go to collections. All collections. Apply changes. Let's see what that looks like. I don't think that's what I wanted to do. No, it's still saying that. Edit. So let's go back to our products. Oh, duh. It's because I set that product to publish at a later date. So we're going to take that away. And we're going to say that we want this item to publish now. That should do the trick. Let's try that again. Booyah! So there is my item. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have action, everybody. We have action. Yes. Exciting. Okay, so this is where you would go for marketing. You can create a campaign to promote your store with ads or emails, even if you're not a marketing expert. I definitely will not get into this currently, but as you can see, it gives you marketing ideas, which is great. It's not everybody is, memorable when it comes to those key times of the year when most retailers are marketing. But yeah, okay, so this is just a very simple look at creating a Shopify website. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.